Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of NetBeans IDE, that's NetBeans IDE version 26 on a Windows operating system. So this latest NetBeans IDE version 26 also supports latest version of Java, that is Java 24 as well. So let's see how to install this latest version of NetBeans. So to install NetBeans, you need to first simply go to favorite browser and to type over here NetBeans download, hit enter. So that will show you this netbeans.apache.org. So just simply go to their official site. So here you will see that the latest version of Apache NetBeans is NetBeans version 26 and older version is also available, but we are going to download the latest one, that is NetBeans IDE 26. So just simply click on this download button. So that's going to show you this page. So this link I'm going to provide right in our channel description. Here you need to scroll down and we'll get these installers and packages. So you need to click on these friends of Apache NetBeans. So that's going to redirect to this page. And here if you scroll down, you will get NetBeans available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Alright, so we're going to download it for Windows. So here is our exe, so which also has the latest version of NetBeans IDE, that is 26, along with JDK 24. Just simply click on this download button and immediately our NetBeans will rightly going to start downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel it. I'm going to minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory and here is our NetBeans version 26. So just simply double click on the installer. It will ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes and there you go. So this is our Apache NetBeans version 26 installation wizard. So this is what you need to check. You will need about 1.33 gigabyte of free space on C drive. That is where you are going to install. So totally fine. Click on next. So it is telling whether you like to create a desktop shortcut. Yes, we want. Click on next. Ready to be installed. Click on install. Immediately we'll see that our Apache NetBeans rightly started installing. So let's wait for a couple of minutes over here. So we'll come back. And now you can clearly see that our Apache NetBeans IDE is rightly installed. Also this launch Apache NetBeans IDE option is rightly selected. So just simply click on finish to start launching our Apache NetBeans IDE. And our Apache NetBeans IDE is rightly started launching. And there you go. So this is our Apache NetBeans IDE interface. So let's first maximize it. And here you have options to create a new project or open project, a new file, all that. So let's start with creating a new project. So click on this new project. You can also go to file and click on this new project. So that's going to open this same window. So here let's start with creating a Java with Ant project. So just select that, and of course you'll have option to create all these different projects like Java with Maven, Gradle, HTML or JavaScript, Groovy with Gradle, C, C++, PHP and all that. So we are going to start with Java with Ant, and I'm going to select this Java application and I'm going to click on next. So immediately it's going to start configuring Java cluster. So let's wait for some time, and then it's going to start activating Java AC. And there you go. So now our name and location window is rightly open. So here you need to provide your project name. So let's give the project name as Java Hello World. And this is where our NetBeans project going to be created. So on our documents folder, it's going to create a NetBeans projects folder, and within that it's going to create this Java Hello World project that we have created. Alright, and you can see that also our create main class option is also rightly checked. So it's going to also create our Java Hello World class as well, along with creating our project. So everything is fine. Just simply click on finish. So immediately it will start going to creating a new project. Second, let's wait for a few more seconds. And there you go. So our Java Hello World project is rightly created over here. So if you expand this, you will get the source packages and then libraries, and when you expand the source packages, you will get this Java Hello World package that's automatically gets created along with our project. And when you expand this again, you will get this Java Hello World.java file also created, and that file is also opened over here, and a sample code is also written over here. So this is our class Java Hello World, and this is our public static void main method. So let's print something on our console. So print something like system.out.println, and let's print something like hello world. Alright, so just end with semicolon and just simply click on this run button, and immediately it's going to start building and running our Java Hello World project. And there you go, you can see the output also coming on our console, right? Now let's do a bit of mathematical operation. So let's assign a couple of variable like a equal to 5 and int, let's say b equal to 7, and let's print summation of these two numbers. So first system.out.println, and let's print summation of these two numbers, so a plus b. So that need to show 12 on our console. So this is just a test program, so just click on the run button, and you can see first it shows hello world, and after that it just simply prints these two numbers. So 5 plus 7, that is a plus b, so 12 is properly coming on our console. So in this way you can easily install latest version of Apache NetBeans IDE version 26, which also comes with Java 24. So you can always verify that. Just go to help and click on about, and you can see all the details along with product version, Java runtime, everything. So that's how you install latest version of NetBeans IDE. If you are interested on Python, then I always recommend you to watch this tutorial. I am sure you are going to love this. So on this playlist I keep on posting new videos every week. So more videos are about to come on this playlist, so I highly recommend you to watch this playlist. Entire source code and everything I am also providing on our official website. So you are going to get entire source code what I am showing on these tutorials. Alright, and lastly, special thanks to the supporters of our channel. We are truly grateful to you guys. Supports like this really motivate us to create and improving these videos. Again, thanks a lot for being an essential part of our journey. So yeah, so that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.